Magic Trout Imaginarium wants to know, why isn't more wool produced in Canada? So we traveled to the Cowichan Fibre Fest in 2022, hosted in Duncan, British Columbia, to ask textile artists.
Tying a yarn to here, spinning it and letting it drop as you stretch out the wool.
It's just awesome in so many ways. Like, I love the chunkiness, I love the colors, I love the pattern.
This is an interview with Kairee of Chaotic Fibres.
I've heard lots of different stories, but I'm interested to know what you understand about this. Why aren't more people getting their wool in Canada?
Okay, because Canadian farmers usually grow sheep for meat and they throw the wool in the garbage.
Oh, that's so sad.
So there is the campaign for Wool Canada happening right now.
Ooh.
Where we're trying to, get more Canadian wool to stay in Canada, to be used in Canada.
And is there where's the closest mill? Is there a mill here in town?
We used to have one in Victoria and it closed 2 years ago. So
2 years ago? I thought there was this whole new kind of wave towards trying to...
We're trying.
Yeah. The local fiber shed.
But I didn't have the $1 million to buy those properties.
Yeah. It seems like a lot of people that run mills, it's like in their family, and they keep it going. And I think, especially in Canada, it's a lot harder to keep these things going, right?
It is, and even to purchase a mini mill, first you need somewhere to put it. So then you need real estate. Real estate on the island is not inexpensive.
Yeah. So pretty much you have to have inherited a mill on your giant property.
Or inherited a large amount of money so that you could buy a mill on a large piece of property.
Okay. That makes so much sense.
There are people working on it.
Yeah.
So there is that darn yarn shop in Kamloops. They will mill for you.
Oh, okay.
I don't know if there's a closer one. Not that I'm aware of.
This is an interview with Jenny of Up a Creek Goat Farm and Fibre Mill.
Are a lot of people going to different types of hair in Canada or wool in Canada because you can't easily get sheep wool?
I think part of the problem, we've got so many sheep, and I think part of the problem is we don't have enough mills.
Yeah.
So it becomes so difficult then when you do send it away, you're a year and a half before you get your product back. So we're actually, a little dig for myself, we're planning to open a mill. I was surprised at the number of mills that are on the mainland. Yeah. A lot of them only do their own fiber.
They don't. I tried contacting a few and they didn't even bother getting back to me. And I was like, I have a feeling
there's a market.
They have a mill, but they're not.
It's just a huge investment to get started. That's the daunting part of it.
Yeah.
Key takeaways. Why isn't more wool produced in Canada? Canadian sheep are primarily raised for meat and dairy. Most fiber mills only mill their own fleece. You can face long wait times when you send your fiber off-site to be milled. Milling equipment requires a large amount of space. And land is expensive in Canada. You can get involved in the Campaign for Wool Canada by going to campaignforwool.ca.